Greetings from Sri Vidyaniketan Degree College, Tirupati. As an arts and science college, during this whole year of pandemic, a lot of activities which were happening through the government, through the management, faculty and students, we were able to do a lot of non-medical intervention as part of the NGNCRE, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, in association with the Government of India and Department of Higher Education and Ministry of Education. As a SAP accredited college or a recognized college, that we were very happy to be part of these activities, and especially in the month of June when we were doing each one reach one mission, it was a great opportunity for us to showcase what exactly our students and faculty have done in this course of 1 year, when it was a tough time for the entire humanity to take up the challenge of COVID and then move ahead and surge ahead. I would say that we were very strong, steadfast in all our ideas and in all our activities, because we always believe that humanity is the spirit, and the spirit is never going to lose a battle against COVID or the pandemics. They are going to come and they are going to go, but we are going to be there to protect our community and our society and be a help and support to everybody. As a part of activities that we have planned with the help of the management, immense support of our management and administrative teams, we were able to do this very successfully. Our Honorable Chairman, Sir Padmashri Dr. Mohan Babu Garu, our revered CEO, Shri Panchu Vishnu Garu, they gave us enormous encouragement to be part of these kind of activities, because Sri Vidyaniketan Educational Trust has taken up numerous activities to get the effect of this particular area very lessened with their promotive activities of not only vaccination drives, but helping the COVID affected people and their families. It was a great gesture from the management, which has initiated a lot of activities in the college campus as well. And we have a strong faculty team led by Dr. Ravikant and Mr. Padasarthi, who head the Department of Biological and Chemical Sciences. With the volunteer team of students, we were able to conduct a series of webinars in the college, not only on the subjects related to the other academic potential, but also for COVID exclusively. We have conducted 8 programs which were on the research advances in COVID, as well as the vaccination, as well as the nutrition or the infection and immunity factors, which can give lots and lots of support to the people. So in this way, we were able to connect to more than 6,000 people across these webinars, and we continued the counseling on the online platforms, especially social media platforms like Facebook or blog sites or Twitter and Insta, so that we were regularly doing this on a day-to-day basis and actually counseling the students, both COVID patients as well as their families. And we were into a lot of charity organizations and NGOs also, activities kind of thing, which they were doing for providing food or shelter or non-medical intervention to the COVID families. So we were able to do a series of these programs, and we were able to connect with them. Apart from that, at the college level, the NSS unit has been very strong, and they have been doing extension activities in the nearby villages in order to create and promote the extension activities of sanitization, vaccination drives. And it is very good to understand and very good to share with all of you that the nearby villages, almost 90% of the vaccination is done, except for the age group, which is not permitted by the government. So we are indeed very happy that at least we were able to be part of the small contribution which was part of our organization, as well as our faculty and student-led volunteer team. So these things which gave us a lot of ideas to further go about it. We are planning proposals for reversing climate change as well as environmental conservation. In order to take this up, the Each One Reach One mission, it gave us a lot of encouragement, and we got a lot of encouragement to the teams in the NGNCRE also, and especially Mr. Sai Kiran, our regional coordinator, who gave us so much of support to take these activities even to the places across the country and even abroad, where we were able to share our support with the people and keep continuously counseling. And I think we started a small little bit of revolution in a way called as Wellness Revolution, where we started sharing a lot of wellness posts with people across the world, because in the COVID, we have understood that the non-medical intervention is the most important thing, because the right behavior and the immunity boosting are going to help us. We are going to get vaccinated. These things are going to help us more than anything else when the pandemics come, or many more new pandemics which are going to come in the future. So this is what we have understood, and we have taken up this initiative very strongly. And we are going to continue this with our students and faculty teams, very strongly led by student and faculty teams at SVDC campus here in Sri Vidyanikethan Degree College, with all the support from the government as well as our management in order to make a world a better place. Because when people are in distress, supporting each other, saying that we are together is the best thing that we can do. I hope that our students will do many more great things when it is part of these kind of missions. And I'm proud of my faculty and the students who have made this possible.
This is Dr. S.V. Ravikant, Head Biological Sciences, Sri Vidyanikethan Degree College. The destruction that COVID-19 has created is immediately evident in the number of cumulative deaths throughout the world, and this caused the public to press the panic button. Added to this, lot of confusion pertaining to treatment, vaccination also contributed to the deaths. Many people believe that there is no treatment that will save them from corona. How has the pandemic changed us? We don't want people to rely on the false information that is spreading every day like a wildfire. If there is no nutritional health, no authentic information, there will be no positive society for all. Based on this, we thought of bringing awareness among many corona illiterates. Now, we don't call people as computer illiterate or not. Are they corona illiterate or not? That is the present day slogan. Such is the impact of the virus. Hence, a series of webinars were organized by Sri Vidyanikethan Degree College to create awareness and inject confidence in the people about the present pandemic. Fortunately, many experts who are at present involved in COVID research came forward and shared their valuable experience in such a way that even a layman could understand what has to be done during this pandemic. They cleared many doubts posed by participants and also explained about the importance of taking vaccines. Our strong student team played a pivotal role in bringing numerous participants across the globe to the Zoom platform where webinars were organized on a regular basis. The webinars were live telecasted in YouTube, which enabled to reach the people. The video links were continuously updated in the website too. The NSS team of Vidyanikethan Degree College contributed its share by organizing camps in and around the college and educated the people about the lifestyle changes that are needed to be adopted during this pandemic. Our principal went an extra mile ahead by sharing a series of wellness posts, which is circling in social media, and needless to say, this is reaching to a large people every day. The mortality caused by coronavirus has made us to restart our lives afresh. It has caused many deaths, and we are beginning to restart our world, and our actions play an important role in the fast recovery of mankind. People need to pay close attention to all such wellness programs that are being organized and spread positivity during this pandemic.
Yeah, this is C. Parthasarathi, Head Department of Chemical Sciences. So as part of the social responsibility, our organization contributed a lot for bringing the awareness on corona pandemic, how to deal with it, and how to have the nutritional knowledge, treatment strategies, and as well as how to educate the common people with being offering scientific courses at our organization. So our faculty have contacted so many what we can say experts in that field who can make the concept of this COVID-19, which can be easily reachable to the common man. Even our students also enthusiastically participated in making this mission accomplished on a higher order, making this to reach to all the targeted groups. But still, we hope in future also our organization can contribute for the spreading of the message how to deal with this corona pandemic till we get over out of this problem. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am S. Soundarya Lahari, BSc Mathematics, Statistics and Computer Sciences. During the alarming time of the pandemic COVID-19, our college has organized numerous national and international webinars to create awareness among the people across the globe. I have understood the precautions that must be taken while treating the COVID-19 patients, and the knowledge I have gained was imparted to my friends and relatives. Balanced diet boosts immunity and helps us in maintaining good health. The webinar, organized on the eve of International Day of Yoga, gave me a deep insight into making yoga a daily routine, and I explained the same to my family and friends. Through these webinars, I have gained a lot of knowledge, and now I will try to spread awareness about the pandemic amongst my peers and family members.
Hi everyone, I'm M. Bhargav, studying final year BSc Mathematics, Electronics and Computer Science in Sri Vidyaniketan Degree College, Tirupati. I have attended a number of webinars conducted by the college regarding the care and precautions to be taken during COVID-19. In one of the webinar emphasis on yoga and wellness during COVID-19 was clearly explained. I have learned the importance of yoga during this pandemic, as wellness plays a vital role in boosting immunity. Yoga is beneficial for people of all ages. It builds immunity system. Daily practice of yoga has so many added benefits. It improves flexibility, posture, keeps the joints healthy, reduces blood pressure, controls obesity, reduces stress, and helps one live a peaceful life. I shared all the information that I learned with my friends and relatives and motivated them to daily practice yoga and take healthy food during the pandemic.
I'm Sai Chandana Venkatila from third year BSc Microbiology, Biochemistry and Chemistry. I have attended the number of webinars conducted by Department of Biological Sciences regarding each one COVID-19 pandemic. After attending the webinars organized by our college, I have understood the importance and necessity of health and emotional support to the COVID-19 patients. The issues were not support to the COVID-19 patients who are suffering from severe infections, but also to the mild ones. In one of the webinars, I significantly learned about post-COVID-19 symptoms, which occurs after recovered from COVID-19. The symptoms like breathlessness, fatigue, gastrointestinal problems, lung fibrosis, muscle pain, fever are most commonly experienced by patients after recovered from COVID. Black fungus is also one of the symptoms of post-COVID-19 infection, but to a short extent. All this occurs because of poor immunity and usage of medicine. Our immune system behaves as a soldier after fighting in a war who has tired. I am regularly following all the wellness series where our principal ma'am focuses on nutrition, meditation, and yoga. I am sharing all those posts to my family and friends. Thank you.
Hi all, this is S. Sarayu, doing my final year BSc in Microbiology, Biochemistry and Chemistry in Sri Vidyaniketan Degree College, Tirupati. I have attended various webinars conducted by our Department of Biological Sciences regarding care and precautions to be taken during COVID-19. And one such webinar is emphasis on nutritional importance during COVID-19. And I have learned many things about having a healthy diet and importance of having a healthy diet during COVID, as it plays a vital role in boosting our immunity and also from speedy recovery. So I have tried my best to share this information to all my friends and relatives so that I could make some awareness to them. And I thank our college department for letting me to be part in this initiative. Thank you.
Hey all, I am S. Vijay Bharathamdev, studying final year BSc Microbiology, Biochemistry and Chemistry in Sri Vidyaniketan Degree College. As we all know that people suffered a lot due to COVID-19. The drastic change in cases in COVID due to the lack of awareness to the people. As an NSS volunteer, so many camps were organized in and around Sri Vidyaniketan Degree College to bring awareness about the COVID-19. NSS volunteers followed all the protocols while in the camp and conversed with the people about the importance of social distancing and wearing masks. The volunteers informed the villagers that right now there is no complete cure for the disease and therefore sufficient precautions have to be taken. The volunteers also boosted confidence in villagers as a kind of machines they have no medicines they have used in case of person is infected with COVID virus. All the NSS volunteers had early attended all the webinars organized by the college, and this helped them to gain the knowledge which was shared with the villagers. And I need to thank the college to organizing such a informative webinars so that all of our students are enlightened and help us to motivate the people who are situating around us. Thank you.
As a principal of the college, I'm thankful to the Government of India and the MGNCRE initiative of this Each One Reach One mission. And on behalf of all the faculty members, 8 of them who were part of this mission and 25 members student volunteer team, I thank once again the MGNCRE organizing team and the committee members and the coordinators as well as the Government of India for appreciating us with a valuable certification, because that recognition has helped the students and the faculty feel much more motivated to continue this, to be part of the humanitarian We Are Together campaign. Thank you so much. And we are signing off from Sri Vidyaniketan Degree College, Tirupati, saying that we are always there for everybody who needs support. Thank you so much.